Hi guys, this is Rick from Rick's Review. My channel is all about helping you save money. I'm going to do household chores. I do things around the house on the cheap, using good products, but on the cheap because I'm saving labor because I'm not having to hire someone to do it. Now, I don't suggest you do things that you don't feel comfortable with. Hire a professional, have that professional do it for you. But if it's something that you feel comfortable with and something you think you can do, whether it be flooring, an electrical outlet, unclogging the sink, stuff like that, then you go ahead and do it. I'm going to show you how it's done, how I do it, and I'm going to help you try to save as much money as I possibly can. That's what my channel is all about. So subscribe, give me that thumbs up, and come back every Sunday for a new video. I'm here for you. So if I can help you save money, I will help you save money.